If you're using a if-else structure to assign a value to a variable based on a Boolean expression that's either true or false, we can replace that if-else structure with a ternary conditional statement. And here is the syntax for the ternary conditional statement. It's the variable we want to assign equals our Boolean expression, a question mark, the value we want to assign to the variable if it's true, a colon, and then the value we want to assign if it's false to that variable, and of course ending with our semicolon. So here's an example. I have an if-else structure where I want to look at the value of b, and if b is less than 5, I want to assign a value of 10 to a. But if b is 5 or more, I want to assign a value of 20 to a. And so we could write that if b is less than 5, a equals 10, else a equals 20. So we can take this multi-line structure, though, and replace it with this statement. A equals our Boolean expression, b is less than 5, our question mark, the true value assigned to a would be 10, but if that is false, a value of 20 would be assigned to a. Now, if you haven't declared a, you can do that on the same line. So we can have int a equals that ternary statement. To further demonstrate this, I'm back in Visual Studio. In the project we looked at a few videos ago, we looked at conditional structures. And we had here a project where the user entered the first name, chose whether it was raining or not, and then clicked the continue button, and they would see one of two prompts in a message box. I'm going to go back to my code here. So in the code we had a string variable named user. We put the text value of our txt first name there. We had a prompt, welcome to SMC, and we used their name in that prompt. And then we had a string variable prompt2, and if txt_raining.text equaled yes, then we assigned prompt2 to be a new line character and text take your umbrella today. Otherwise, we assigned a new line character and have a nice sunny Arizona day. And then we showed that in a message box. What I want to do is replace this if structure with a ternary. And so we can say prompt2, the Boolean expression I want to test is this expression, txt_raining.text equals yes. I'll copy and paste that. I want my question mark. I want the true value that we're going to replace. So if it is raining, we're going to assign the value to prompt2 as take your umbrella with a new line character. And if it's false, I'm going to assign have a nice sunny Arizona day as our prompt. And I've got the semicolon at the end of that. And there then is our new one statement, our ternary conditional statement, replacing this if-else structure. Let's see if it worked. So is it raining? We have no, have a nice sunny Arizona day. If we say yes, we're told to take our umbrella.